Akala nung iba, pang mayaman lang ang investment. Ganon din ba yung akala mo? Kasi sa investing, you can start small and grow big. Ganyan din ako nag-start 12 years ago. Nasa call center pa ako noon, pero nag-start ako na kung magkano lang yung kaya kong i-invest every month. Akala kasi nung iba, kailangan milyonaryo ka para makapag-start mag-invest. Pero ang totoo, kailangan lang dito discipline. Of course, kung may pera ka na malaki, advantage na yon. Pero kung wala ka pang ganung kalaking pera, you can start for as low as 1,000 pesos. Kasi with 1,000 pesos, you can learn how the market works. You build consistency instead of saying someday, next year, 2027 na lang. And you give your money a chance to grow, not sleep in the bank. Or kung ano lang mabili mo kasi may extra 1,000 ka, nag-shopping ka na lang. Yung small amount na yan may look tiny today. Pero pag compounded na yan over time, yun ang nagiging quiet progress na someday magiging big wins mo. At someday magkukwento ka na lang na buti na lang, nag-start ako, and I encourage you to pay it forward. Ituro mo sa mga anak mo, ituro mo sa mga pamangkin mo. At tulad ng ginagawa ko kasi tinuturuan ko ngayon yung mga pamangkin ko as early as 12 years old, 13 years old, unti-unti ko na silang ine-educate. Hindi kailangan perfect, hindi kailangan malaki agad. Ang mahalaga, you start. If you're a beginner and you want guidance on how you can start investing safely, kahit small amounts lang, comment ready or kung di ako nag-reply dyan, send me a message and I'll help you take your first smart step. By the way, hello, my name is Picha Bashal, your Finance Glow bestie. Follow me if you'd like this kind of content. And let's grow and glow together!